Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking the question, what would you say it is you do here? The thumbnail for this video is one of my favorite scenes in a film called Office Space with a guy named Ron Livingston starring. It was made by Mike Judge. Arguably one of the great movies about corporate America, maybe one of the greatest ever made. He also made a movie called Idiocracy, which is quite good as well. But this line really started ringing through my head after I read a recent article from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, PM Criticized for House No Show. Quoting directly, the absence of Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra from the opening of the new House of Representatives session on Thursday provoked a heated argument between the opposition and the coalition leading Pheu Thai party. Ms. Paetongtarn was otherwise occupied on Thursday morning, delivering a nationwide televised address on her government's performance and policies at the headquarters of the National Broadcasting Services of Thailand. Well, my question would be, you couldn't do that from Parliament? Quoting further, she had said previously that it was not the right time for her to join on Thursday's parliamentary session. What does that mean? You're the Prime Minister. And this is actually on that, I'm not going to get too much on her case. You are the Prime Minister. I get it. You do have certain duties and things. You got stuff going on. Fair enough. But I'll tell you where it really got a little bit both galling and absurd for me. Quoting further, the Premier had assigned Agricultural Minister Naruman Pinyon Sinwat to join the session, but she assigned her deputy, who did not show up either, pleading other engagements. So the PM delegated the agriculture minister, who then assigned a deputy who didn't show up. So then my question is, as in the thumbnail, what would you say it is you do here? You know, if not show up to Parliament, okay, again, the PM may have had some other things to do. I can even see the argument that the agricultural minister had other things to do. But then they assigned a deputy who just kind of, and then, didn't show up. So again, what would you say it is you do here? It's that great line from Office Space again. Something that's really bothered me for roughly the last year and a half that I've been watching sort of the political chicanery that has been Thai politics is the fact that, it seems like a lot of the folks in the government right now are more concerned about preening and making a lot of nonsensical statements to the press or just platitudinous statements to the press without any real substance. And meanwhile, while they continuously go on and on about how much they care about all of us, they don't seem particularly intent on doing their actual job to do the public services that we need. So again, it really does beg the question, what would you say it is you do here, members of Parliament, if not show up in Parliament?